Hi guys, very good afternoon to all of you. First of all, thank you so much for giving me a support on my YouTube channel and students who are watching me for the first time. I want to tell you that I have a YouTube channel and this channel now has got 30,000 plus subscribers and we have got almost 800, 900 videos. So guys, as new year is coming, so me and my marketing department has decided to roll out an offer which is going to be applicable from today onwards at the time when you're watching this video, and I'm not sure till which day this offer will keep going, but as of now you can say that it's like for the maybe till December 31st we will have this offer on, right? And this is looking at the response which I got from you in the last months. Well, this video is in English, and but the courses are available in both the languages, as you can see on the screen. So we have got here. I actually have made these courses for you. People who know me, students who know me, I'm sure I don't have to really talk much on about my the quality. But yes, if you're watching me for the first time, here is a list. These are all the courses which I provide, and I can tell you that I have mentioned the language also. You can decide in case if you are somebody who doesn't understand Hindi, then of course you can go for this. The courses which have English language available here, you can go and purchase that. In case if you know Hindi, then Hindi list is also mentioned here. Just to avoid the confusion, I have written here specifically. So I teach basic Excel, advanced Excel, Excel Power Query, Excel VBA, M Code programming language, Power BI, DAX, Power Pivot, MS Access, and MS Access using the VBA. Okay, so this is an offer for you. I welcome all of you. You can see the price. This price for, let me start this quickly. So for basic it's 500 rupees. From whichever country you are watching this video, this is in the Indian currency. Okay, there's no conversion to your currency, so this is the rate. You can convert it into your currency and then see how it is going to be for you. I'm sure that this is the one of the best deal you can get ever, right? And my all the courses, they start from the basic and they cover all the advanced levels, including the projects, assignments. I have added everything for you. Okay, so we have advanced Excel course at 2500. It's gonna be almost 50 hours training. It's available in Hindi, English both. I've given you the chapters also. You will get the links from me at your Gmail ID, and from there you have to download it. Okay, once you download the material, you can watch it. You can't watch it on the email, remember that. So we have the Excel VBA. This is one of my favorite codes. I have added here 16 17 chapters, I think, starting from the very basic. Students often ask me that I don't have any programming background. It is perfectly fine. It is discussed in a manner that anyone can learn it. Yes, of course, if you know the basics of the Excel, you should go for the VBA. If you do not know Excel at all, well, you start first with the basic Excel, or maybe you can directly take the advanced Excel course, which will have the basic Excel also covered. Okay, then we have a Excel Power Query. This tool is so much in demand these days, especially if you are a MS analyst, or you are working in any analytics field. You are a business analyst. This is a perfect course for you. It again has 16 17 chapters. The cost is so you can see that it's very cheap. It's just 1000 rupees. Then we have a programming language which we use in Excel Power Query. It is M code. Then you have a web scraping. This web scraping VBA can be done on the Internet Explorer. Okay, so you can see the price here, and we have MS Access front, MS Access VBA, again one of my favorite, because MS Access VBA also teaches you how to write the SQL, so how to connect the database with Excel or other databases. Everything is covered. And then there is my latest course which I have just finished, Power BI plus Power BI Desktop plus DAX plus Power BI Service, and this is also now on the discounted rate, and it's available in both the languages. And I have focused on the DAX pretty well, because I see that most of the students, they learn the Power BI Desktop and Power BI Service because they are very easy, but in the DAX they get confused a lot, right? So we have taken a good amount of time in explaining these things. It's a completely, like, we have just explored each and everything. from the very basic. All right, then I have a combo offer also. In case if you are looking for any two courses, you can do your calculation, 15% discount, 15% you can just minus it from the cost of the products. If you are looking for more than two courses like 3 4, then there is a further more discount which is 20% off, right? And then there is a bumper offer. This bumper offer, I launched this at the festival time also, 2 months back, I guess. And this time but I'm adding a power pivot also into this. So you will get all these 8 courses starting from 1 to 8, not the basic Excel, because if you take the advanced Excel course, this will have the basic also covered. So if you take these 8 courses, if you're interested in learning all these, which will take at least I think 6 to 8 months for you to prepare to learn each and everything, because this is a huge course. Okay, so you have to pay 13,500, and if you are going to take this course in the next 5 days, we are adding the power pivot also into this. So that is going to make it total 9 courses. And yes, power pivot, I haven't completed yet, because I like to give you the my live classroom training recordings. So this batch I will finish in the coming 1 or 2 weeks. But yes, you can just always go and do the advanced booking. The moment the course will be prepared, it will be emailed to you. All right. So this is one of the best deal I'm offering you. We are offering you at this point in time for your new year 2021. So you know what you can do, like as I always say that learning is something which can never fail you. If you're going to learn, you will get the position. You will, it will change your life actually, right? You can simply go and become a champion in data analyst field, right? Data analytics field. And we all know that how this year has been going so far. So if you have any plans, you can just go and take this offer, and maybe you can start this from the January 1st. Right, so this is all about this. And yes, if you are watching this video, or if you are an Indian, you can just go and use the Paytm, Google Pay, and net banking, and of course you can use the credit card also on my website. I'll just tell you about the website. In case if you don't have any Indian, this what you call the tool, to make the payment, no worries. What you can do is you can use the other international websites. You can connect with me through WhatsApp. This is my number. +91 is our country code, because I'm actually from India. All right. You can also go and make the payment through PayPal. My PayPal account is, obviously, if you are interested, my PayPal account is, this is my PayPal account. You can just go and make the payment, and the course will be emailed to you. And yes, any point in time you want to give me a call, you want to go and send out the email, you want to understand more on these topics, you can definitely go and talk about, on this. And of course, if you are interested in watching some videos on this channel, as I said, I have English videos, I have Hindi videos, so you can go and kind of get the understanding how I teach, what is my style of teaching. If you're able to understand, right, I'm sure you will love it. Okay, so I'll just give you a quickly idea, I mean, how the material is prepared. Like for example, this is my Excel VBA. So starting from the introduction to the projects, connecting Outlook, PowerPoint, MS Access, talking about the pivots, charts, error handlers, which are very important. You use the user forms, looping, function, folder, files, arrays. I have covered a lot of things, almost everything, right? So you're gonna get this course once you enroll for the Excel VBA. All right. I can also go and send you the images in case if you are interested. This is about the Power Query. Simple Power Query, no programming in this Power Query. So starting from first chapter to 20 chapters, these all chapters will have a lecture, my live, the classroom recordings, plus also the classwork files. And in case if there is some assignment applicable on that chapter, you will get that as well. And with regards to any assignment you're doing, with regards to any lecture, you have any issues, you can always reach out to me. All right. Well, then, for example, this is your M code programming. If you know Power Query, you should go for this. This is the one of the best thing I ever seen in the Microsoft. Right. This is fantastic. This can handle your data so well. You can use this functional language and take your this the data analytics to new heights, right? So I mean there is so much, like for example, this is my BI. This has almost 38 chapters, so maybe 38, 40, or 42 chapters like this, depending upon which language you are taking, because I have given you the live recording, so sometime it happens one or two chapters you might find extra, but overall the thing is the content is same, and everything is covered, whether you go for the Hindi language, whether you go for the English language, right? So I mean there is so much, and same I have for my what you call the access, right? For the access also we have in the same pattern we have the chapters access bb, we have the same chapter. So this is the offer, right? And it has started today, and you're watching this video at the time this will be also applicable, because the moment we will withdraw this offer, this is not going to be a forever offer, because this is really really very cheap. I hope I'm not disappointing you when you are looking at the price, right? Especially for international students. So when I will go and withdraw this video from my YouTube, obviously you will not be able to see this offer. So when you're seeing this offer, that means it's applicable. So let me know about it, and any questions you have, you can of course, you can email me, you can ask me, and yes, this is my website. On this website, international credit cards are not going to work. So as I said that if you are located in any other country, you don't have any way to pay through Indian accounts, or as I said, the Paytm or Google Pay, you can use international websites, and you can use the PayPal also, right? But the price, you can check here, the price I have mentioned here, right? So when you're going to watch this video, the price will be updated. Okay, so thank you so much for giving me this continuous support from the last 3 years. I'm very, very lucky to have your support, and thank you. I mean, the biggest thanks to those students who come and purchase the courses, take my live trainings. Thank you so much. You keep me, going on. All right, so thank you so much. This was the update. I hope to hear from you very soon. All right, bye bye.